So guys, good morning. Happy day, happy day. We, or I, are putting the horses over here on this side for just a little bit. They're gonna actually be able to go nose to nose with baby, which should be fun. They don't know that he's over there yet. They've already kind of sort of seen him, but yeah, they're gonna be happy with being over there for just a little bit because we had a little accident last night. Stay tuned, I'll show you. So, as with farm life, you always have an accident. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. Ooh, look at all the grass. Look at this grass. The grass is growing. Yay! Our poor lot has been like eaten down like crazy. Okay, stay on topic. Accidents. Yes, accidents happen all the time. But thankfully we didn't have any problems. So accidents are totally different from problems. Problems are bad. Accidents, they're accidents. They can be fixed. And this morning, well, we had a big, huge thunderstorm last night. As you can see, the storm is still moving out. And oh, it looks like somebody was laying here last night. How can I tell? That right there. But you can tell just by like that. But you can also tell by all the grass. It's kind of all flat. Anyway, back on topic. Accidents. So, I will show you. That was the accident. That was the accident. Woke up this morning and came out and went, oh, that doesn't look right. That looks like a giant bush growing out the side of the tree. And no, it's not. It's a tree that fell down onto the tree, which broke the tree. And this is a big one. This is a really big one. But this is a perfect example as to why we have these kind of fences. Because they just bend. This is really tight. It didn't break. That one is probably bent. But yeah, so what do you think there, lumberjack Sean, husband?
I think this is going to be a pain.
Oh, okay, and a pain and a... Okay, so it's a pain. All right, this is a family channel.
It's going to be a pain in the biscuit.
This is going to be a pain in the biscuit. So I think what we'll probably end up doing is probably just cutting it. That way we can put the fence back up and get that on. So because the fence has been off all day. Oh, look at the flowers.
Oh, it has poison oak all over it.
Oh, those are pretty flowers. Pretty lilies.
It's got poison oak all over it. I can see the vine.
That's not poison oak.
On this side of the tree, it's a vine.
Uh-oh. Oh, no, this poison sumac. No. Poison sumac had the flowers on above it, right?
I don't remember, but...
Yeah. Poison sumac has flowers on the top, not on the bottom. This might be all poison sumac, which is awful.
You better Google it.
I better Google it. All right, my people. My YouTube people, that looks like it's on the bottom, but that looks like it's on the top. And I don't want to touch this because the last time I got poison sumac, oh my God, it was awful. And then we've got all of this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's poison sumac. That's a vine all over that tree. That's a vine.
Well, I'm looking right at it.
Yeah, that's sumac. Ah, snakes.
Son of a mother...
Fart knocker.
Friggin' frack.
Yeah, he said. So that puts a problem into our little accident. Huh. Well, broke a couple of branches over here. So now we have a tree full of poison sumac. And did you know, here's a little tidbit on these little guys. If they're closed, it's bad weather. If they're open, it's good weather. They're closed, it's bad weather. Yeah, it's really thick on that tree there. So on my side, on the other side, you can see all of these little vines here. They all have sumac. So all that one right there, that's sumac, and that's sumac, all of that, and all of this over here. This is not, that's not. This is not, this is a tree. But everything on that one. Hey, you think we should call a tree guy? I don't want to be messing with that. I really don't want to. I'll be out here in a hazmat suit.
Anybody want to contribute to Summerfield Farm and Drafts tree removal fund?
Yeah, it's gonna be about $400 to have somebody come out and take this out. Crap. Yeah, I forgot to cut the tree first. Wrong way. That's okay. It ain't gonna move, it's still attached to the ground. That's okay, we'll let him try. It needs to be pulled this way. Oh boy. Nope. Nope. He'll do it my way. When he finds out it doesn't work this way. But we gotta let him try. Because we're good wives. And good wives let their husbands try certain things their way. And then they realize that, oh, maybe my wife should have been right. So let's try it the other way. Let's see what he says. You want to try it my way? And you might want to detach the bottom of the tree from the base of the tree that's still in the ground. He says he can't hear me. Bull crap. He can hear me. He's mad. He's gonna try it my way. Okay, now we have it on my way. I think it would work better. Look at that! Shh! Shh! We won't tell him I told you so. At least it's down. At least it's down.
All right, now, you want to take that strap? I want it around the pine tree.
Around the top part?
Right, so I can pull it out.
It's still attached in the ground. Wives are always right.
One, I told you so. I will whoop you.
The camera said it, not me. It's in there. Hey, y'all, watch this. Well, I just want to make sure you didn't. Hold on, I'll go look. Let's see how far this thing is in the ground. Oh, you ain't moving it. It's like in the ground. So you're better off just cutting it right there. It's like in the ground. The whole stump in the ground.
Okay, what about this one?
This one is in the ground next to it, so you're probably better off just to cut it on this side and be done with it. This is a pretty day. No more back blood, bad, blah. No more yucky clouds. Well, at least it's off the fence now. I can see it twisting. It's twisting towards your way. There you go. Ooh, that's a nice picture of the rings. Thank you. And the wind is blowing in my face, but just like that, now we have our fence back up. It didn't really do any damage to the T-post. I was able to get it right back into the ground the way it was, a little pounding, and it went in just fine. And see, this isn't a problem. This is just an accident. No, the problem is getting rid of this. But even then, that's a small problem. So, once again, our wonderful T-posts with our, I think it's an inch and a half. Almost, yeah, it's an inch and a half, almost 2 inches of the poly wire, poly rope, no damage to the fence. Now, I will say that some of the wires in here are probably broken, so we will have to retest the fence for continuity and make sure we don't have to replace this whole string, because if enough strands inside it break, it's just not gonna work. So, I'll test that later, but for the meantime, the horses are on that side. I get to turn the fence back on, and we're good for now. And that's that. So, time to figure out how we're gonna get rid of this stuff. And maybe I'll call a tree service and see how much they'll charge just to chop this all up and get rid of it. Then we can use it for like around the trees or something like that, a little mulch. But this is gonna be a pain. Anyway, thanks for coming along. Trials and tribulations of what happens every day on the farm. There's always something. Either a horse gets out, or babies rear up because they haven't been taught not to, or trees fall on the fence, or you get kicked by a big horse because you spooked it because you grabbed its foot, or, you know, somebody runs into something and colics, and or something happens and happens. So anyway, I'm gonna go inside. I have a little bit of work to do. My contract on Upwork, he asked me a couple questions, so I've got to do some research for him. And hopefully I'll have some really good news for you guys. I had a really great interview with a wonderful company yesterday. I'm really crossing my fingers because I think I did pretty good. But I guess I won't know for at least till Monday. But all right, well, I got some work to do. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for popping in and seeing our little bit of an accident, and we'll see you next time. Summerfield Farm, and no draft horses on this side today. Talk to you later. Huh. 2 videos in one day. Actually, I'm gonna put these together. I know the gut. Oh gosh, wow. Yeah, I know. It's kind of a mess. So we just had a massive cell come through here, and we had a ton of hail. I'll show you the videos. This was crazy. I have never experienced anything like this before. So we're coming out and checking the trucks to make sure that everything's okay. And I'm gonna go down into the stream. So while I make my way through the pasture and inspect my trucks, watch this little bit. This was crazy. Can't see anything. Anything on the Noah? on Noah?
I've got no alerts, no nothing on this.
Me neither. I just have a hail alert, but that's it. That's hail hitting the window. Ah. And Mama's out there with baby. Look at this. This is insane. The wind has died down a little bit. It just was like crazy just a minute ago, but that is not pea-size hail. I want to say that's dime-size hail. Wow. So, this is what happened afterwards. That's what it looks like now. Yeah. I want to go down and see what the stream looks like. But look. These were the little ones. These are the smaller ones. There's a bigger one there. This was so crazy. So crazy. These are just those little ones that are left over. So cool. But it's still raining a little bit. I do want to go down and see what the stream looks like. We had so much water so quickly. I think I might want to. Yeah, I think I will. Oh, horses are over there. Look at them. Getting into trouble. Good thing we put up that fence. They're eating all the leaves off the trees. So, we have a gravel washout. That's problem number one. We'll have to put that back. That came from there. So, we'll have to fix that. Looks like the door is stuck again because I did not latch on the inside, so I'm gonna have to go in and fix that. And we have a little river here, which I'm sure we have a river inside the barn. This is insane. Oh my gosh. You couldn't, it was raining so hard that, hi Bubs. Hi Friday. Friday. Nope, that's not Friday, that's Gwen. Friday's right there though. Hi Gwen. Hi Gwen. Hi sweetheart. And of course, you know, horses are gonna be horses. They're in here right now, they're eating hay, but they were out here in the pasture where they felt most comfortable. And oh, this is insane. Where they felt most comfortable and most safe. So let's go in and fix this door. Let's go see. Hi guys. They're just eating hay. Let's go fix the door. It did flood a little bit. It wasn't so bad. Let's go fix the door though. Door's fixed. Okay. All better, all better. She got in trouble. I just popped her in the butt because she was starting to rub on something she knew she wasn't supposed to rub on, and she got popped in the butt. She's okay. All right. Next up. You can hear the water over there. Let's see if anything's washed away in here. This surprisingly has done well. Really surprising. Oh, I love the smell of the forest after a good rain. Oh, it smells so clean and crisp. It smells so nice. I wish you guys could smell it. I love it. And you know what? There's no trees down here. I am very amazed. Wow. There's a little puddle there, but that's not bad. Holy macaroni, this is perfect. That broke a little bit. It's alright. Oh, nope. I thought I wasn't gonna get away with that so easily. That's not bad. Oh, that top one broke all together. Came apart completely. Ah, I'll have to turn off the fence to fix that. All right, what else? Huh. That's not bad. Huh. It could have been much worse. All right, hold on. Wow, look at that. Woo. Ooh, let's go over to the bridge and turn off the fence here in a minute. Well, it's not pretty, but it's okay. All right, let's go down to the bridge thing. Wow, it hasn't been like this in a long time. It has not been this high in a very long time. Look at that. Woo! And that's quick moving too. A little waterfall. Yep. At least it's not over it. Not yet. Probably was pretty high. Let's go check over here. Boy, you don't see this very often either. Huh. That's all the runoff from over there, the solar factory farm thing. Pain. Let's go over here. Yeah. My hunting blind's still good. Ugh. This was not so slippery the last time I was down here. Let's go underneath it. Okay. Then we'll go over. Oh. Ah. Well, it's not quite as high as I would have thought over here. But it was over the embankment there. I don't want to get too close to the edge because this is really, really loose. But this is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see how high it was there. Whee! That was pretty crazy. But, you know, overall, everything's fine. It's been a crazy day in North Carolina today. Oh my gosh. Very crazy day. But it's okay. I enjoy days like this because it makes it interesting and it keeps me busy because it's like 6 o'clock now maybe? It's supper time for me. Maybe it might be 7. I don't know. Horses have already been fed. Everybody's got food, water. Dogs have been fed, so it's after 5. So yeah, maybe 7 o'clock. But that was just this morning. Whew. It's crazy, but horses are doing good. Everybody's alive. Everybody's wet and happy, and they're doing all right. And tomorrow is supposed to be a nice sunny day. So, and then it's gonna rain on Sunday again. But tomorrow I have a yard sale to go to, so Not mine. It's the East Bend is putting it on, and since I'm part of the town committee, oh, somebody's getting in trouble. Friday, you're gonna ruin those branches. Go find another tree to scratch under. Friday. Ah, horses, they get in everything. This time, though, Gwen's behaving herself. She's such a good girl. Usually she's the one getting into trouble. Right? You're always the one getting into trouble, aren't you? Yes, I'm talking to you. You're always getting into trouble. Friday, what are you doing? Hi, Gwen. Hi, Gwen. How are you, darling? Hi, darling. Your boyfriend's coming. Yep. Here comes your boyfriend. There he is. There's Friday. There's my boy. I love him to pieces. He's looking so good. Yes, you are. And you're being so jealous. Yes, you're being a good girl too. Yes. I know, you're soaking wet. Look at that face. How can you say no to that face? You see yourself in there? Of course you do. Yeah, you're a beautiful girl. You really are. And so aren't you? Okay. He knows you love him. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Summerfield Farm and the big guys, the draft horses. See you later. Bye. Uh-oh. I think I got stuck. Oh well.